Welcome to the SEO training video on keyword research from searchmarketingvancouver.com. Major search engine websites like Google and Yahoo handle an amazing 16 billion searches per month in North America. Knowing the words your customers use to search for your product or service is critical to your online success. The best keywords for your website may not be the ones you first guessed. Different people search for the same thing in different ways. Keyword research helps you discover the actual words and phrases that visitors use to find your site. And not all your website visitors become customers. Your goal is to find the most valuable keywords for your website, not just the terms that bring in the most traffic, but the ones that bring in the most business. Here's a few tips on how to find the best keywords for your site. Listen to your customers. Listen to the specific words they use. Ask your employees who have direct contact with your customers which terms they hear the most often. Keyword research is about knowing which words will grab the attention of the visitors you're trying to attract. Google Analytics is a free tool that you can add to your website or blog that gives you all kinds of information about your website traffic. Among the useful data it provides is a list of the most common keywords visitors use to find your site. These keywords provide an excellent starting point to build on. Online tools such as Word Tracker or Keyword Discovery are indispensable to keyword research. I use a free tool called Web SEO. To give you an example of how these tools work, enter a generic term like cameras. The keyword tool will then suggest a list of similar or related terms. For each word or phrase it comes up with, it tells you two things. One, under daily word searches, it tells you the number of searches per day for that keyword. And two, under competition, it tells you the number of sites on the internet that use that keyword. The less competition there is, the greater the chance of ranking high for that particular term. The KEI column in green stands for the Keyword Effectiveness Index. It combines data from both the popularity and the competition. The higher the KEI, the more traffic you'll receive for that term. While the term cameras is a more popular search term than cameras retail, there's far more competition for the keyword cameras. The higher KEI for cameras retail shows you that it has a far greater chance of generating traffic. When selecting keywords, there's always a trade-off between the popularity of the search term versus the competition from other websites. Another useful keyword research tool is Google Trends. Type in a keyword and you'll see whether it's rising or declining in popularity over time. For example, the term SEO has been steadily rising in search volume since 2004. The term Yellow Pages has been declining. Once you've discovered your most valuable keywords, build them into both the content and structure of your website. You'll then start to generate more traffic and more business online. For more training tips on SEO, visit www.searchmarketingvancouver.com.